Hello children, welcome back to the new video. So today I am going to perform a very interesting activity in front of you. By doing that, you can trick your friends and parents. So let's get started. Materials that you require for this activity is a sellotape, some colorful papers, a transparent plastic sheet, a pencil, scissors, some colorful pens, a cardboard. Now the size of the cardboards are different. One are the two half papers and another is the two-sided folded paper in this way. Initially what we have to do is we have to make a rectangular on the double folded paper in this way. Then I'll be taking out this inside this part with the help of scissors. Now here you can see that I have cut a rectangular part from that cardboard, and I have also stick some decorative papers on the side. I'll be keeping this aside and I'll be taking the two papers which I have already cut it. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be taking one of them and I'll be sticking on the card that which we have already made in this way, and I'll be applying some sellotape. So now here you can see that I have fixed my white paper in this way so that it can be seen from the frame that we have cut. Keep this thing aside and I'll take the second paper and I'll be drawing any of the picture that I want over on this paper. So now here you can see that my picture is ready. So now I'll be taking this transparent plastic sheet and I'll be cutting it according to the size of this paper. So now here you can see that I've cut the plastic according to the size of paper. Now what I'll be doing, I'll stick it above with the help of sellotape at the top. So here you can see that I have stick the plastic above. We will be doing, we'll be taking the black marker and we will trace out the entire picture on this plastic. Here now you can see that I have traced the picture on the transparent paper. So now what I'll be doing is, I'll be inserting this paper inside in this way, and the transparent sheet would be above the white paper, and then we will seal all the two parts, this part and this part, with the sellotape so that it will become fixed now. So let's do that. So now you can see that I am using a sellotape to fix the sides. Now you can see that I have fixed it from both of these sides with the help of sellotape. Now it's time to see the magic. Now let's quickly understand the science behind this activity. Now as such, there is no magic involved in this activity. When I pull this up, we can see the color is there, and after pulling it down, the color is invisible now. The basic or the magic behind is the white paper which we have put in or inserted placed in the between, and also the picture that we have drawn is on the same white paper. So because of that white background, it is very difficult to say that how exactly the thing is happening in this activity. So now I hope you have enjoyed this activity and you will perform this at home.